Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going over Prime Gaming. Prime Gaming is something that's included with Amazon Prime. It's a free benefit you get if you have a subscription, which you can often, about once a year, get a free Prime subscription trial anyway for 30 days. So a lot of platforms, whether it be Epic Games or Steam, you can relatively frequently get full-priced games for free. These are other platforms that have done it as well over the years. With Prime Gaming, it's a subscription service that basically gives you free games every month. A lot of subscriptions, such as through Xbox or Ubisoft or EA, only have the games available for as long as you continue playing. There's not as many games with Prime Gaming, but the thing is that if you claim a game, you get to keep it even after your subscription ends. As you can see, here is the platform. I've got a bunch of games unclaimed here. Got Fate, mostly small games, indie games, and some older games. So you can see that some of them are through different platforms. Most of them will be either through GOG or Epic Games. You gotta get your license key when you claim them, and because they're on a third-party platform, you can always keep them. So there's also some games through the Amazon Gaming platform, which if you claim those, even after your subscription has ended, you can still download and play those, which is good. If you go here, we can see there's some of the games to claim. Go into library, all games, you can see some of the older games. There's some decent games in here, not as many as other platforms. Again, you do get to actually keep them, which is a good benefit. So if you do have a Prime subscription, it's a good idea to go through and claim all the games, add them to your library. There's also a few other platforms, so this is like a different platform here. You can see the little icon here to see what platform it is, which I've got a couple games on this platform. Not really the best games, but there's some decent games on here. So with the GOG ones, for example, you just get game. It'll redirect you to here, claim code. Gives you the code on GOG, and you can just claim that and redeem it. It's a pretty simple process. Recently on GOG, it's had this thing about taking a while to appear. Some of the other games are a bit more seamless. For example, if you go one of these Epic Games, claim game, so you'll get game, and it will automatically claim it through your linked profile, so that you have to actually link it in the settings. But yeah, once you do, you can just click to claim them. This one here, is see the little crown, is the Amazon Gaming service. So that one, you do claim game and you can download it in the Amazon Gaming client. Yeah, so if you're not familiar with Prime Gaming, if you have a subscription, you might as well, because you get a bunch of free games, which is pretty decent. So if you want something that's quick to play, to try out, you want to try something new, there's a few games in here that you can always claim and you can try. So if you have an Amazon Prime subscription, might as well make the most of the subscription and try out Amazon Prime Gaming to get some free games.
But hey, that's it for this video. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts, and if you then subscribe to see things like this in the future.